Hi, this is Kevin, and with another homework assignment for Information Security Intelligence 306 at Ferris State University. This assignment, we are learning about the while clause and creating a loop within it to gain some information from a user. So, really, with our assignment, we are prompted to start out by printing a verse. So this literally prints the word verse once we execute it. Now, in a while clause, we don't want it to run forever. So at a point in time, we need to set a counter for our while clause. So for this purpose, we're going to set the counter to 1. So say if our loop goes to counter equals 5, it will stop. So we're going to prompt the user for our assignment. We want them to input some song lyrics at their free will, and when they're finished, they could type no, or if they want to continue, they could say yes. So here comes our while clause. So while our user value, so the raw input above, as long as it does not equal no, they're able to keep inputting song lyrics. So song lyrics clause, so they'll have them enter some song lyrics. So every time they do this and hit enter, the counter goes up by 1. And then that also causes us to print the word line that we have posted here, which was part of the assignment, a string which was for the counter, and just for clarity purposes, this colon of the song lyrics. And if they wanted to enter more lines, enter yes or no. So when we execute this, do you want to enter song lyrics? Yes. Hello, how are you? Do you want to enter more? Yes. Hello. If they're done, no.